A local bank confirmed a security number is not required for a bank account, meaning the social security number or any other security number. But rather than just walk in and bring a printout of the government website stating a security number is not required, I send a link to the government page called, "Can I get a checking account without a social security number?" Here is the banker's reply: "This information is correct. We like to have that information, but it's not mandatory, so you are completely right." The bank is trying to ensure I am who I say I am. They will accept another government ID and likely will use the number on that ID. See this statement from the government website: if you don't have a U.S. government-issued SSN or ITIN, some banks and credit unions will accept a passport number in country of issuance, an alien identification card number, or other government-issued ID number. Bankers and other people don't want to get fired. They don't want to break the code. They stand firm based on their knowledge of the code. It's my responsibility to bring them the facts that support my request. They can then save and possibly use those facts to cover themselves in case anyone asks. And what better proof than a page from a federal contract government website? Why would someone avoid the social security number? If my bank account is in the name of the person LLC, then it may be under the jurisdiction of the government or its municipal corporation. Then also under the jurisdiction of their internal department, Internal Revenue Service, and possibly under the jurisdiction of the state-level municipal corporations, such as State of North Dakota, etc. For this reason, I want my bank account under my given name and family name. Using the driver's license number is not ideal, but it's better than the security number. At least the driver's license has my given name, not the first name. Granted, one may say any identity number implies commerce, but I think they're using ID simply to mean a unique number that differentiates me from others. Thinking about this further, a bank could likely use the number from a certified and apostilled certificate of live birth. Lastly, I don't want to use the port pass because I don't want to use anything with the word port, as that is blatantly commerce. Mer means sea in French. Didn't thou know they're speaking French to us? Here is a screenshot of the banking page. What's to be done? Find a bank that does not require the social security number. See if they will accept the number on my certificate of live birth. Otherwise, maybe use the driver's license number. Or ask thy current bank to delete the social security number and replace it with one of the numbers discussed above. If one has dealt with the same bank for years, one might ask to completely delete the social security number and replace it with nothing. They already know thou is not a crook, maybe a unique number is no longer needed. No pixie dust. Oh, one more thing, don't store thy wealth in Federal Reserve units dollars. Store wealth anything else: stocks, precious metals, commodities, futures, etc. There are lots of choices. Just pretend Federal Reserve pixie dust does not exist, and see what ideas this leads to.